Hello everyone. My name is Cade from AI Insights, and today we're going to be talking about ChatGPT, a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. We'll be discussing what it is, how it works, and most importantly, how it can benefit you in your day-to-day life. So, let's get started. How does ChatGPT even work? ChatGPT, short for Chat Generative Pre-training Transformer, is a machine learning model that is trained on a massive amount of text data. It uses this data to understand the patterns and nuances of human language, allowing it to generate text that is highly similar to human written text. The model is based on the transformer architecture, which is a type of neural network that is particularly well suited for handling sequential data like text. It uses attention mechanisms, which allow the model to focus on specific parts of the input and generate output that is highly relevant to the input. In simple terms, ChatGPT can understand and generate human-like text, making it ideal for applications such as chatbots, text completion, and language translation. What are some potential applications of ChatGPT? ChatGPT has a wide range of potential applications. Some examples include chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to build highly realistic chatbots that can understand and respond to user input in a natural way. Text completion. ChatGPT can be used to complete sentences or paragraphs based on a given prompt, which can save time and increase productivity for tasks such as writing and coding. Language translation. ChatGPT can be used for machine translation, which can help to bridge language barriers and make it easier for people to communicate with one another. Language generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate text such as news articles, fiction, and poetry. What are some potential benefits of using ChatGPT? ChatGPT has the potential to bring many benefits to both individuals and businesses. Some examples include increased productivity. By using ChatGPT for tasks such as text completion and language translation, individuals and businesses can save time and increase productivity. Better communication. ChatGPT can help bridge language barriers and make it easier for people to communicate with one another. Greater creativity. ChatGPT can be used to generate text that is highly similar to human written text, which can inspire creativity and new ideas. Improved customer service. ChatGPT can be used to build chatbots that can provide highly realistic customer service, which can improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. There are so many more ways in which ChatGPT can be used to help you in your everyday life. There are plenty of very useful commands that you can ask ChatGPT to get you a better response. If you are interested in a dedicated video explaining all of the different ways ChatGPT can be used to your advantage, let me know in the comments section and make sure to hit the like button on this video. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model that can understand and generate human-like text. It has a wide range of potential applications and can bring many benefits to both individuals and businesses. If you're interested in learning more about ChatGPT and how it can benefit you, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe for more AI-related content. Cade, out.